Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this with selling sunset character RU filter on Instagram and how to use the filter. So to get the filter, visit the creator profile. Christine Queen is the creator of this filter. You can follow her to unlock this filter to your Instagram camera tray. So check in our filter gallery and this is the filter, selling sunset. Tap on it and you will see the preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and tap on try the filter. Okay, so to use the filter, you just have to press and hold the camera button. So let's do that. Okay, so that was it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Instagram, and if you are not getting the filter here, then you can check the description box also. I'll give the link to the filter there. So that's it guys. If you like my videos, you can subscribe me and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. I upload almost every day. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video. Okay, I'm still waiting. Hit the subscribe button.